Hi, my name is Sara Douglass, and I'm the CEO of Stampin Up. And I'm here to share some exciting news about an upcoming paper pumpkin kit I was asked to help collaborate on. Have you seen or heard of the Box of Sunshine idea? Well, if you haven't, let me explain. A box of sunshine is a thoughtful care package that you fill with treats and gifts that are yellow or orange, like sunshine. These simple, personalized gifts are meant to be sent or delivered to brighten the day of someone you care about. I love this concept because sending a box of sunshine is such a fun way to make someone's day. It makes a big difference in our lives when we know someone is thinking of us and that they care. So when I was asked to help collaborate on a paper pumpkin kit this year, we decided that my kit would be focused on helping everyone share sunshine. This kit, like most paper pumpkin kits, contains supplies to make cards. 8 to be exact, 2 each of 4 designs. But what's special about this kit is that it was also designed to help you create a box of sunshine to share with someone else. Let me show you how. As you can see, the box is yellow and already has a sunshine image in the design, so you're already halfway there. We've also included some extra kit pieces and a sticker label so that you can decorate your box and address it to someone in need of a smile. Now all you need to do is add your sunshine. If you know of some items your friend would love to receive, you can add those. I often find myself walking through the store or searching online for yellow items. Anything bright and fun will work. For this box, I've added just some candy with some of the embellishments from the kit and used the tissue that comes to wrap some things up. So everything is bright and cheery and fun inside, which makes it a joy to open. Now I'll wrap it up in the tissue that comes in the box and add a card from the Box of Sunshine kit with a personal, thoughtful message from me. That's the most important part. Now my box of sunshine is ready to go. Pretty simple, right? I am so excited to give this to my best friend. I'm also excited to see how you use it to share sunshine with others. Now, the sun shines all over the world, maybe more in some places than others, and we wanted this box of sunshine to shine everywhere as well. That's why this paper pumpkin kit is going global. For our North American market, you can get this kit as part of our normal June subscription offering, which runs from May 11th through June 10th. For our global markets, you'll be able to purchase the kit like you would any other Stampin' Up! Product starting August 11th while supplies last. So talk to your demonstrator or visit stampinup.com for more details. I hope you'll join me in sharing sunshine in the coming months and all throughout the year. Have a great one. Bye!